Hi everyone. In this session, we'll learn how to update or modify multiple records on a single click using server-side scripting. So let's take incident table as an example here. So let's navigate to incident table. Here, the demo example will be something like let's let's filter in progress records. So let's click on in progress and select all in progress records, and we can also filter hardware category records. As you can see here, we have some incidents which are in progress state and the category is hardware. But as you can see here, the assignment group is for some incidents it is hardware and for some it is not, and some are unassigned. So let's also filter out the hardware assignment group is here so that we'll get incidents which are in progress state and categories hardware and assignment group is not assigned or different from hardware group. Okay, so as we have some inquiry here, let's navigate to scripts background, and as we have discussed in earlier sessions, just right line record to incident table where gr equals to new line record of here incident table, gr dot add. We can write add encoded query here as we have filtered the records. So we can add that encoded query here. Just go to the list view and right click on the filter on the last filter and click copy query so that we'll get the encoded query and just paste it here and write gr dot query. As we need to update multiple records here, we will use while function. So while gr dot next, here we can update the incidents assignment group to hardware. So for that, just take any hardware incident, just go back to the category, just open the hardware assignment group. Here you can see the group hardware. Just copy the sysid using context menu, or else you can find it in the URL itself. And just copy that and write gr dot. You can take assignment groups field backend name from here. Just right click on the assignment group, show it, and copy the backend name. Assignment underscore group. Gr dot assignment underscore group is equals to, as it is a reference field, so we need to enter the reference of that particular group. So just double click and copy it here and paste it and write gr dot update, and we are updating the assignment group on selected records using inquiry. Okay. Now when we just run it, as you can see, we'll apply the filter again, which are not their assignment group. So just go there and run. As you can see, updated, and here just refresh that these records, one record hasn't updated. So just check, the record and click execute code again. I think here it is assigned to some other person. So based on that restrictions, this group is not changing. So just remove this assigned user and just run it. It will be updated now. As you can see, all the records are gone. So when you go back to the category hardware, here you can see all the assignment groups change it to hardware for the in progress and category hardware records. So this is the code where you can update using encoded query. And if you want to make the changes, same changes in the production environment as well or any other environment, you can use this code using fixed script, and you can move that to any other instance. So for that, I'll show you how. Just navigate to fixed script from filter navigator. Using fixed scripts, you can move it to instance to instance. So just click new and create a new instance. So I'm writing here like incident update assignment group hardware. So based on your use case, you can name this. So hardware is not fitting here, and the length is less. So just write incident update and just copy this code and paste this here and save it. So this code, same code will be worked in any other instance if the encoder query matches the records in the particular table. So let's take the production demo production environment here and just apply same filters and check whether any incidents are available or not, and if available, how the fix finds. Okay, so just navigate and apply filters. So just the state will be in progress. So we need to filter in progress records, in progress incidents, as well as the category should be hardware, and the assignment group is not hardware. Okay, so as we have applied in the dev instance, so these records have been filtered. So just navigate to this and using this fix script. So just select that fix script and you can export using XML or using update set. So I'm just exporting the XML from here. Instead XML is exported. You can download that and import it in the production. So just in the production demo production environment, open fix scripts and import that. Select the XML file from here. As you can see, this some errors occur. Skipping record for table permission denied. So there might be some issue with the fix script, but as you can see, the record is imported, but there is some issue. We'll check it later. As the scope is something else here. Okay, it is the scope issue as that this record is in the problem management. So we go back here and we'll change the scope here and we'll change the scope to global. And we'll input that again. So just mark global scope here as production is currently in global scope. So just as this is a demo, you just follow the procedure of how to move fix script and just click insert and stay so that you will get global scope version. Now this is a global scope version. Just rename it to save it and export this. Export this XML. Now just go back to that particular scripts in the production demo production environment. Now import the new one so that you won't get scope issues. Load it. So the new version will be imported without any issues as it is created in the global scope. See, now you can just click run fix scripts and this instance will turn to hardware assignment group. But as you can see, it is already assigned to some user. So just remove it so that no errors occur. Let's run this fix script and check how it is working. So you'll get a message that proceed in the background. Just click proceed in the background. So once the script is executed, as you can see, these other two incidents also updated to hardware assignment group for records which we have filtered. So this way you can use Twig scripts to move server script from one instance to another instance. So this is just a basic use case. In our upcoming videos, we'll discuss more scenarios and use cases how to use server scripts and Twig scripts to update multiple records. Thank you.